tell you about the difference of Windows 95 versus Linux Red Hat. But at first, we should introduce our team. Hi everyone, my name is ROSIDAH. I want to explain about the background of Windows 95 in the early 1990s. Microsoft added to an operating system that was easier to use than its previous version such as Windows, which still really heavy on MS-DOS. At the time, personal computers were becoming widely used by the general public, not just professionals, so there was a growing need for a system that was more intuitive, faster, and user-friendly. To meet this need, Microsoft developed Windows 95, which was released on August 24, 1995. This system became a major milestone because from the first time it combined a modern graphic user interface (GUI) with 32-bit multitasking capabilities. So guys, let me explain about background of Red Hat Linux version 1.1 and 2.0. Red Hat Linux was first released in 1995 as Red Hat Commercial Linux and introduced the RPM package management system. In 2003, Red Hat discontinued the Red Hat Linux line and replaced it with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL, for enterprise use, while Fedora Linux was introduced as a free alternative for home users. The final version, Red Hat Linux 9, reached its end of support in 2004. The system is known for its graphical installer, ANGGOTA, and the firewall configuration toolkit. After 2003, development shifted to the community-based Fedora project, which became as foundation for RHEL.
Different in development psychology. Windows 95, a commercial closed-source operating system focused on ease of use for general public. Red Hat Linux, an open-source system that allows users to modify and share the code designed for flexible, stability, and technical user. Difference in user interface, or UI. Windows 95 introduced a simple and modern graphical interface with the start menu and taskbar, making it beginner-friendly. Linux, Red Hat Linux had a graphical interface. It's a Windows system, but many tasks still required command line input, making it less easy for beginner. Difference in target user. Windows 95, ordinary home user, office worker, and people without technical skills. Red Hat Linux, developer system, administrator, technical user, and server environment.
Difference in licensing. Windows 95 closed-source and commercial users had to buy a license. Red Hat Linux open source and free to us or native with 5 support AULIA or Red Hat. Difference in technical feature. Windows 95 focus on application compatibility and easy hardware setup with plug and play. Red Hat Linux introduced the Navigate page manager for easy software installation and use the stable Linux kernel suitable for server use.
The time has come to travel beyond Windows 3.1 and MS-DOS into the world of Microsoft Windows 95. Here you'll discover powerful features that let you do things you've never done with your computer before and make all your everyday tasks easier, faster, even more fun. To see what Windows 95 can do, here's a great place to start.
What is RHEL? Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL, is an open source operating system for critical application environments, whether it's deployed in the cloud, on-prem, or at the edge. RHEL is based on Fedora, an open source community Linux distribution. But while based on Fedora, RHEL is built into a reliable, longer lifecycle, and rich ecosystem offering, all of which makes RHEL best suited for the enterprise. RHEL reduces friction, time, and resources with a unified operating system across tens, hundreds, or thousands of machines. A Red Hat Enterprise Linux subscription includes Red Hat's awesome product security team, support engineers, and management capabilities, all providing IT teams with the flexibility they need to meet their objectives. Basing a technology stack on RHEL is building on a strong foundation.
The conclusion is, Windows 95 and Red Hat Linux version 1.1 and 2.0 were designed for a different purpose. Windows 95 focused on being easy to use for general user, while Red Hat Linux was an open source system aimed at technical user and server environments. These differences are reflected in their development philosophy, interface, target user, licensing, and technical features. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.